Breaking news! The missing penguins have been found! Okay, according to my notes, genetic researcher Dr. Octavius Brine has found the penguins and is bringing them here to New York's Battery Park. The penguins are coming back! Oh my gosh, look!
Penguin lovers of the world! Guess who I found?
Penguins! Penguins!
It wasn't easy, but seeing the penguins get what they deserve will make it all worthwhile.
What a weird thing to say! I'm so excited!
Do it.
Skipper! Rico! Kowalski!
It's like I can still hear his little voice calling to us.
You have to get out of there! Move!
You have a great otter there. Moo.
Why would he move?
What are you asking me for? I'm not Private Little Ghost.
Are you ready? Your new and improved penguins!
Say what?
What the hell is that?
Oh, the people love you. Just go give them a hug. Somebody call the exterminators!
Oh, this is bad!
And when the exterminators take you away, you never come back. Seize them!